Hello? Hey. That's a separate one. If you like my stream, I'm just north of Calhoun Community College and got the wall cloud, and I got a secondary wall cloud developing now. I got to move. I'll call you back in a minute. This is Tommy Self, SevereCityList.com. I've got a wall cloud on my stream on Highway 31 just north of Calhoun Community College, and directly to the west I got a secondary developing wall cloud. I'm trying to get out of the way of it now. I just want to let y'all know we got 2 wall clouds. Yes. Yep, I hadn't got anything on the ground yet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me, up. I got debris. Hang on a second. I'm off the phone. Tornado on the ground. I've got debris.